open. How do you know that's hers?
Zion here.
How do you know that's Zion's?
What is this?
What is it?
I don't know.
A candy cane.
Zion here.
How do you know hers is Minions? You just dishing out candy, huh? Yes. Look at them.
Here I found.
What did you find?
Here.
A chocolate, a walrus.
Here. It's a walrus chocolate.
Has candy.
Yes. Where's your gum? Right.
Has candy, huh?
Oh, a chocolate bear.
I see. What do you have? A polar bear?
Yes. Look at this. Mama, Justin and Jasmine and Jordan are gonna come here.
Mm-hmm.
They pick that up for me.
What do you guys say?
Thanks for watching.
What? You know I was recording you. Look at just dishing out the candy, huh?
You're giving me two.
You're not eating all in one day.
We're gonna
You gonna
save
share?
it. Yes.
Good. You gonna share
Wait,
yours,
where's
Julie?
the gum?
You show your dad what you have?
I spit it in the trap.
What you got? Oh, you got Minions candy cane? That's nice.
You look pretty. You wear clothes.
Zai. How you look, Zai? You look pretty? What are you doing on that scooter?
I can see Zion.
You can see Zion.
Yes. She's far away.
Zai.
Right there. Really safe.
Zion.
You
Look
trying to
at
hide?
that bed. We need to make your
You trying to
bed.
beat your bed?
Hi.
Hi.
You look beautiful.
my
I like your bows.
What you say?
I like your bows.
She's like Christmas shopping.
Hi. Hi. You dancing? Are you gonna help make your bed?
Yeah.
You gotta change those sheets. Let me see your hair. Look beautiful? Yes. You riding car?
Leah, you gonna miss me? I miss you too.
I am too.
You are too. Why are you running to the closet? Could you get out the closet? Could you get out of the closet? Oh, you clap your hand? She copied it. I don't know who copied the other person. I'm copying her. Okay. Oh, you copying her. Okay. Oh, yeah, because she always is silly. She like
Now she's copying me.
You're such a diva.
I tell you, I'm beautiful. I had to get my dress on.
Show me a light up.
There's Peggy on Zion's car.
You look good.
So signature.
Sorry, Aria.
I'm not coming out of here.
Aria.
You not coming out of there?
No.
That's sad. That's
Aria.
Jennifer
You said what?
like
You better get out of that closet, little boy. Clap
We'll
hands.
see when we leave. We'll never see you again. Clap hands.
Yay. Sing a song.
Twinkle,
Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light.
And twinkle, twinkle, traffic light.
What's wrong with St. James?
Oh, true. Tariq, could you get down there?
Get out of the closet, Tariq.
TZ, come here.
No, sir.
Tariq.
No attitude.
Tariq, who are you mad at? Why? Because she told you not to go in the closet? You don't need to be in the closet playing. That's where you keep your clothes. That's not where you play. You know that, right?
No mess up, because we have to clean up. We're going to put your sheets
Oh, I gotta charge this thing.
on your bed and finish cleaning your room up.
Alright.
No.
Bye-bye.
Or not.
Bye.
'Cause I know y'all are just going to come in here and start flipping in gymnastics.
We're gonna be filming later when we eat anyway. Acting all good.
You have Candyland?
That is mine.
Yes.
Come on.
5 to
Layla.
on this game.
Candyland and Connect 4.
I'm leaving and not coming back.
You leave it and not.
Adios.
Bye.
No more.
Bye.
Hit the road, Jack.
Don't you come back.
No more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more.
Well, we just watched that movie the other day.
It's because Uncle Meech watches it all the time, and then Dad was watching it.
You did.
You just told Uncle Meech to stop watching that movie.
What movie?
Ray.
Oh. I was going to say, what movie y'all talking about? I
No,
thought that's what
Ray.
it was.
With Jamie
I haven't seen Ray in years.
I saw it with Luffy. That's what I saw it the first time. It was there.
Don't come back.
Don't come back no more.
No.
No more. No more. No more.
No.
Is your name Jack?
Is your name? I thought
I was
your
watching
name
Periscope. Jamie Foxx was on Periscope. He rode around his neighborhood. He was putting all the people to shame.
Wow.
His house was so lit up. I got a screenshot of it. And he was saying all the people around him. It was a couple of houses, but his house you could see he drove about a half a mile or a mile down the road, and you could still see it. He was like, when I was a little boy, this is what I dreamed of. And you're supposed to have lights. He was like, look over here.
So he did all that for Christmas.
And then,
like,
yeah, and he had kids at his house. I think they were privileged kids.
oh, so
And then
you don't get to have that.
he drove up to the gate, got in the gate, and halfway up there was another gate. And everybody's like, 2 gates, man?
And you got 2 gates. Well, I mean, I guess it makes sense security-wise.
Security, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Lord.
It was
I need
nice.
these tamales. Like, you know how long it's
Leah,
been, Justin?
don't put that on your head.
It's been forever since I've had tamales.
Say lights.
Like,
Twinkle, twinkle lights.
Twinkle, twinkle,
Something about lights that make everything magical. Traffic lights. Layla, come here.
Oh, these are nice. Very nice. These should be.
Come here.
That's what
Zion singing Twinkle, Twinkle, Traffic Lights.
see. Oh, I like those windows.
You want to sing it with
This
us?
one?
I see you trying to flip.
I found this from the box.
You go put it in the
Oh, it doesn't work.
on top of the washer for me.
Oh, it's not singing.
I have 2.
You want to be in gymnastics?
Yes.
You need to be in gymnastics. She'll flip itself.
Because you like to flip. You're a natural gymnast. Yes.
I wish I had some gymnastics.
Jasmine was in gymnastics. Yes.
Gymnastics.
In just a minute.
Gymnastics was fun.
She learned how to do cartwheels and flips. Well, no, she didn't learn. She already knew. She was perfect. What did you do? Why do I have to come see?
Okay, what did she do now?
Aaliyah, now, if I'm in here cleaning up, what did you do? Oh, you're flipping on the bed? We're going to make this bed.
Catch me. I can do a backflip.
Let me see you do a backflip.
Mom, cats
Don't
make
hurt
me
yourself.
sneeze.
Okay, well, we won't bother with any cats.
Mom,
Yes.
look what Tariq did up there. He stick.
How did you get... I'm going to get your behind.
Like,
So you climbed on that shelf,
yeah, but
and
I
you
wasn't on
stuck
the shelf.
stickers on the ceiling. Yeah, but when you said it, I didn't really, you know, I was thinking the wall, not the ceiling. I didn't, I didn't think it was the ceiling. I was thinking the wall. It didn't register.
He was like, oh,
So that's why the shelf is a mess.
That's what he did.
For what?
Let me see you flip.
Bella, do it.
Oh,
What? Can Aaliyah help me get all the stuff off the bed so I can do a flip?
Help her get the stuff off so she can do a flip.
I'm gonna be hot. Yeah, I can do it.
Put that on the table because we still have to clean up in here.
Mom, I jumped onto the wall.
So, be careful.
No, that's Tariq's. Now,
Okay, Tariq, come down so she can flip. Good job. Another one?
another one, Bella.
Good job.
I did two more.
Zai, be careful.
It makes me sleep. Like on the tap.
It made you sleepy. Boy, huh? It made you sleepy to flip.
Jump!
Good. Jump all of the energy out of your body. You can jump all you want. You want to jump too? Oh boy, I'm gonna have to watch that on the camera because I missed a little bit of it. I saw you.
Get up.
I wanted to see how long. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Watch out. Oh boy, look at there. Yeah, you know how to do handstand. Girl.
Hi.
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 Girl. You trying to do a back bend.
Me?
No, Tariq. And with some practice, we can help you do it. Uh-huh. You're in the right position.
It makes like a turtle.
Yay! Good job, Layla. Good job, Zai. You did it. Yay. Are you going to? We need to put the mats back on the floor to see. That's why there's no frame. Because I can see y'all falling. Watch it. Whoa! Yay! Are you okay, Leah?
come here, Wee Wee.
Come here.
You okay?
Tariq, be careful.
Be careful, Layla.
Look, look. Be careful.
You just rough. That's why you don't even care.
Look at, yay, Zai. Say yay.
Yay! She said, I don't want your yay.
No, she get her feelings hurt. Look at Layla.
Yay, Zaza.
Good job, Zion.
Zion.
So I get off the bed so I can do a front flip. Stop.
Stop.
Oh.
No. Why is it stop all of a sudden? Be careful.
Justice, come here.
But yeah, I don't know what it is. I can't see that far. Be careful.
Move off the bed. Layla, move off the bed. My mouth is so slow. Hey!
Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
Mom, you can see him?
I see him.
Yeah, we're gonna look at him.
I see him.
Sweet.
I see him.
Mama, I'm sweaty.
Layla, be careful.
Okay. I'm not sweaty.
All right. Zion.
What'd you do? See there. See there.
I'm not gonna play it that long. I know. What?
Sorry, that was doing the name.
No, it's 10.
Oh, it's 10?
I didn't do nothing again.
You have to. I have to turn the camera off to put it back on.
No.
Yes, that's your song, huh? And you know what? I've actually seen other people do it, and they do it longer, and I know they do. And they monetize. I know they do. I've seen it. We'll see. If you break it up. No, if you break it up, it's less likely to get. Unless somebody themselves just decides, I want to flag this video. I see it. I just let it go. It doesn't matter to me. It's not hurting me one bit. And if they say unmonetize it, I'll unmonetize it. Doesn't matter. All right, I'm getting ready to cut this camera off.
No.
Yes.
Do
See?
you miss me? You miss me, Zion? Yeah. He's here? Okay. Okay. It's time for us to go.
Is she going bye-bye?
It's time to go.
Let's go watch her go bye-bye. Let's go tell her bye-bye. Are you sad?
Bye. Love you. Hold up.
Pull your shirt down, little boy.
People don't even
It's not cold outside anymore.
No.
they just figured
It's
that
not.
he just
No.
It's hot.
weren't really aware that
Leah, give me a hug.
Spinning her around.
switched to Cincinnati.
You tell her
Go to
bye-bye.
the store too.
How comfortable suddenly things
Oh, he brought me another one. Okay, put it down.
Sorry.
stimuli.
We have to put our shoes on. And I'm sitting in the front, just so you know.
Mom, did the dad go to the store?
Revelation for
Mom, can we go get some stuff out?
No, it was just one thing. I forgot I had told them.
Leah,
All right, baby.
bye.
Tell her you'll call her.
Hold on.
Bye.
You'll call me?
Yes.
TT? You will call me? You mad? You sad?
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Weebly.
Uh-oh. Zai said. Oh, Zai.
Zion, give me a hug.
Say bye, Jess. Bye, Jess. They'll be back.
Bye, TT.
Bye, John.
Bye, Layla. Bye.
Bye, Justice. Uh-oh.
Bye.
Zai said. Come on.